ganda ni Mile. Hi, sis! So, hello guys! Hi! So, for today's video, lalayo muna tayo sa usapang hotel exploration. So, as you can see, magkakasama kami and we decided to explore the place na kung saan pinupuntahan ng maraming tao, which is the Esplanade Intramuros. So, since we are here, we are trying to explore every spots here to this bridge. Actually, sobrang dami ng tao by that time. Noong nagpunta kami dyan, actually good weather siya. And then, kalaunan, umaambon-ambon na. As you can see, there's a lot of lights, statues, and also fountain. Talagang na-enjoy kong maglakad-lakad. It's just yung ulan lang yung panira by that night. Habang binabaybay namin yung ganyang kahaba na bridge dyan sa Intramuros, naghahanap na rin kami kung saan kami pwedeng kumain at mag-try ng mga best-seller food nila dito. So, this is my first time to be here. So, sa paglalakad namin, doon ko lang napansin na sobrang haba na pala na nilalakaran namin. As in, talagang napagod na yung paa ko dyan. And by that time, I'm not feeling well kasi sinisipon ako. So, ayan, meron tayong stage at the back and may sightseeing views yung river. Actually, na may makikita yung maraming water lilies. So, ayan, kasama ko si Kim. So, isa rin siya sa mga kasama namin palagi kapag umaalis kami at kapatid siya ng hipag kong si Maymay. And ito naman, si Ate Sam. Yan, nagpa-picture siya sa stage. So, habang nahanap namin yung mga food stall, bago kami makarating doon, ay marami palang mga stores dito, napansin ko. So, meron siyang mga photo booth studios, at saka marami siyang mga souvenir shops. Meron din namang mga tusok-tusok dito na tinitinda, like fish balls. And then, may mga milk teas, shakes, and a lot of more. E napansin ko din na may mga place din na hindi pa open because I think wala pang nagre-rent doon. Sa sobrang haba nito, nagtanong-tanong din kami kung saan ba talaga yung food stall kasi para kami naliligaw dyan ng slight. But anyway, we are glad na nahanap na rin namin siya. So, yan, habang papunta kami sa food stall ay chika-chika kami ng slight dyan. And then, super happy ko na nakita ko na talaga sila. Ayan! Sobrang haba nila. Ang dami nagtitinda. Yung tipong mananawa ka or malilito ka na kung anong gusto mong itry dyan. So guys, this is the first food stall na nakita namin na may xiaolongbao. However, wala na silang stock. So, naubusan na. And then, naghahanap-hanap pa rin kami. Sa paglalakad namin, nakita namin yung food stall ni Neneng P. Which is, ayan, kung makikita mo, andun siya sa gilid. And actually, nagtatry nga akong magpa-picture and also video sa kanya. But, nung nalaman niya mag-video ko is parang ayaw niya or hindi pwede. I don't know why. But I think siguro nagpapabayad na siya. Ganun. But anyway, it's okay because inalaw naman niya akong magpa-picture together with her. So, I'm okay with that. And then, since andito na rin naman kami, trinay ko na yung Hungarian sausage niya. And I just wanna give an honest feedback about this or reviews because nung bumili ako ng juice, actually dun pa sa pinakadulo ng food stall, is bibigyan ko siyang rate 0 out of 10. I'm sorry. Hindi ko talaga siya nagustuhan, yung melon juice. And itong Hungarian sausage niya ng B, I will give this like 4 out of 10 because this is only a typical footlong and hindi talaga ako nasarapan as you can see. So, hindi ko talaga siya natripan yung lasa. Aside from it, I tried fried isaw and I will give this isaw at 8 out of 10 because talagang nasarapan naman talaga ako at naubos ko siya. And yung suka niya the best as in may pipino, so I really love it. We found a food stall na nagbebenta ng xiaolongbao. Actually, sobra akong nasiyahan kasi meron siyang matcha flavor and I tried those two flavors which is the chocolate one and the matcha. And while we are waiting, ayan, binigyan kami ni Sam ng flowers tigisa. Since walang hobby ko dito is thank you, Sam, for making me feel loved and pretty. And then, ayan, andito na yung xiaolongbao na matcha flavor. And I'm gonna try it. But to be honest, I will give this an honest review as well. I will give this a 2 out of 10. Sarapan lang ako sa flavor, to be honest. But the wrapper itself, I don't like it. It's so hard to chew. Sobrang tigas nung wrapper. Para siyang minadaling lutuin. At hindi ito yung ine-expect kong xiaolongbao. Because every time na may makikita kong video sa Facebook, napakalambot yung texture at napakalaki. At the same time, makikita mo talaga yung pinaka-laman niya sa loob. So, I'm kinda disappointed of this xiaolongbao. And also, I tried the chocolate one and hindi ko rin talaga siya nagustuhan. As you can see, binubuksan ko siya pero napakatigas. And then, I tried the chocolate one and I will give this a 0 out of 10. I am so sorry but I'm just being honest. So, hindi talaga ako totally nasarapan and I don't really like it. So, disappointed ako kasi hindi ko natikman yung talagang xiaolongbao na gusto ko talaga yung nakikita ko sa Facebook. And also, after namin kumain ng xiaolongbao, ayan, nag-explore ulit kami. And hinahanap nila yung bagal ng Mama Jackie nyo. And gusto nila kasi ulit kumain nun. Kasi nasarapan yung kapatid ko. So anyway guys, hindi talaga okay yung pakiramdam ko that time. So hindi na ako masyado nakapag-videos. But stay tuned for my upcoming vlog. That will be all. Thank you and see you on my next vlog. Ciao!